Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs in boiling water with vinegar. This method is surprisingly simple and yields perfect, tender eggs every time. You'll need just a few common kitchen items: fresh eggs, a pot, a slotted spoon, and a splash of white vinegar. Freshness is key for a beautiful, compact poached egg, so choose your eggs carefully. Now let's prepare the poaching liquid. Fill your pot with about 4 inches or 10 centimeters of water. Bring this water to a gentle simmer where small bubbles form at the bottom, but it's not vigorously boiling. This controlled heat is crucial. Next, add 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of white vinegar. The vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, keeping your eggs beautifully shaped. With your water ready, it's time to introduce the eggs. Crack each egg into a separate small bowl or ramekin first. This prevents the yolk from breaking and makes it easier to slide into the water. Gently lower each egg into the simmering water. Avoid overcrowding the pot. Poach 1 or 2 eggs at a time. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully remove them from the water using a slotted spoon. Allow any excess water to drain off briefly on a paper towel. This ensures your dish isn't watery. Serve your perfectly poached eggs immediately. They are fantastic on a piece of crispy toast, atop avocado, or alongside some fresh greens. Enjoy your delicious, homemade poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.